In this video, you will learn how to solve could not save contact changes. Many people face the problem where they can't add new contacts or update existing ones. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to save important information quickly. I will walk you through simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve this error. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Next, either type in the number you wish to add as a contact, or select a number from your recent call history. Once you've selected or entered the number, tap Add to Contacts. Now, choose Create New Contact. This will bring up a form where you can enter details about your new contact. Type in the contact name. Now here comes an important step, tap here. And change it from SIM to Google. This change is essential because saving contacts directly onto Google ensures better synchronization across devices and resolves potential issues related to SIM storage limitations. After adjusting the setting, simply tap Save. This should successfully save your new contact without encountering any errors. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, changing your storage option from SIM to Google, you can easily resolve the couldn't save contact changes error. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.